Hey guys, it's Madhvendra from India and I am here to show my COVID-19 project. So to watch it, let's go to my Windows. So guys, now we are on my Windows and it's my program. See, I will provide you the link in my description so you may check it, and first I will run and show you how it works. So you have to run this, you have an internet connection. So when I run this program, it will give me, it is collecting data from website and so notifications here. See, COVID cases Punjab, active cases, discharge and cured deaths. So after few seconds it will change. Let's wait for it. Guys, see, state Rajasthan, total active cases 1,94,000 and discharged 4,52,000, deaths 4,712. So it's now see Uttar Pradesh, and it will show these notifications after every 30 seconds. See, so I don't want to see the notifications now. Let's start the explanation, guys. See, I used Flyer module for notifications and VS4 module as Beautiful Soap for prettify HTML docs. Like I need this data for my software program. See this COVID-19 state-wise status. Andaman and Nicobar Islands full. All states of India is here. See this. So when I click on view page source and find this data, it is in T-body. Let's see, Andaman and Nicobar Island, this is the data. So I want to prettify this data, so I use Beautiful Soap as BS4 as Beautiful Soap, and I use Selenium as WebDriver because I want to make my software capable to click this COVID-19 state-wise status, because otherwise if I not click it, see, it is commented. Where it is? Here. This is commented HTML tag. If we click on this, it will automatically uncomment. So guys, and I imported time to run my software after every period of time what you want, and then I make a function which named notify COVID. So my note, and in this I make how the notification interface is and what's time. See, timeout is equals to 20. It means how many states I want to show within this time period. Like I have 3 states and timeout is equals to 30. Then every notification will show in 10 seconds. And it is my app icon directory message. It is an argument, or you may say variable. Then I make a function get data which get this data. First my data go to this website and then go to this class and click on this class. Then it will extract tr from T-body, and then what is inside tr, it will give us in text format. See, and I converted into a string. Item list is equals to my data is str dot replace C. I replace many things because it is giving me problems. So state I choose Rajasthan, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh because it is waste of time if I take all the states and then make the video. Then I make a for loop. In that I use to run my notification bar. See, now let's I run again. It is collecting data from my website and then it is giving us notifications here. See, state Punjab cases, it is real time COVID cases. This project will tell you how many cases and deaths and cured persons are there in your state. See, now Rajasthan, and then if I close it, Uttar Pradesh, and if I close, it will automatically run after 30 seconds. If you want that after every 1 hour it will run, you may put this 16 to 63,600 seconds, 3600 seconds. So it's not a big deal. So guys, thank you